questions, I find Milky Way a curious choice. Among the newly formed stars, at the end of the spiral arm of your Milky Way, is a star which you call Sun. Our planet. The Guardians were not.
Constructed on a vast system of atolls, our city features a wide array of architectural styles, inspired by the many cultures and species who have traveled across the galaxy to call Xandar home.
For advanced technology and innovative urban planning. From the start,
the people of Xandar.
After Nova Prime, our highest rank is that of Centurion. One of our most celebrated Centurions is Alvar. He is a corporate class.
Okay. Wasn't exactly my idea.
Is this the famous Groot? Every Xandarian knows how you gave your life to save the rest of the Guardians that day of the battle. Tell us in your own words how that felt.
I am Groot.
Okay, they're headed for the jump point. This plan is never gonna work. Rocket!
Well, okay, I've locked onto your vehicle.
We'll be right behind you.
Nothing to worry about.
Unless we cannot stop this unusually large man, then you're likely doomed.
Good luck! We get a date. What have we done?
I think we're jumping back.
It's the only way back.
We got the generator.
It's just a figure of speech, Drax.
You are lying to them. Now I understand.
Welcome to the Guardians of the Galaxy.